Proud na finlex si Jed Madela ang kanyang baon na lalaking manika sa isang major toy opening sa Manila. May leather shoes, denim, detalyadong messenger bag, mini Funko at labubu pa.
Nakikiuso din siya.
Nakikita ito at trending tuwing nagti-TikTok live si Jed.
The ones that you see behind me is not Barbie. It's called Smart Doll. It's a brand, a Japanese brand na they're called ball jointed dolls, BJDs. And the reason why I collect them is because I love photography. So I buy them, I buy their clothes.
Isa na si Jed sa tanyag at kilala na toy collectors ng Pilipinas. At ang kanyang BJD dolls, umaabot hanggang lagpas 30,000 pesos ang isa.
The collection grew and now it's like more than 100 pieces.
Kung susumahin ito at ang kanyang toy collection na sinimulan niya 2 decades ago pa, makakabili ka na ng kondo. Proof daw ito na investment ang mga laruan at hindi luho.
Para siyang, alam mo yung stock market na umaakyat, bumababa. That's the excitement of it. Kasi minsan there are toys na akala mo patapon lang, but then after a few years, oh my God, the price.
Unti-unti na raw itong ipapakilala ni Jed sa kanyang mga show, gaya ng kanyang upcoming birthday concert this July 5 sa Music Museum.